Hello and welcome back to Starkey Farmstead. I wanted to show you guys how our soil has begun to amend here at Starkey Farmstead. What we're doing is we're adding organic matter on top of the clay soil without tilling. Wow, look at that earthworm. This is what it's all about. Now you can see right here the clay, and then you can see the organic matter building on top. Remember, this is no-till. This is only what we've added. The only thing that we add here at Starkey Farmstead is the heavy mulch, which is an organic hay, leaves. We use a lot of pine straw, but look at that. Look, there's more. So set this one back in here so you guys can keep looking. Did you see that? Look at the earthworms in that. All right, so what happens when you till your soil and has worms in it? You kill them, guys. Now, you can see the plate, right, where the organic matter stops and it starts reverting back to clay. But now watch this. Look at how the clay is breaking up. Okay, it's not rock hard. All right, now if you know anything about clay soil, you know that clay soil is one of the most nutritious soils in the world to garden on. But what I was talking about a second ago with the no-till, all right, we use a heavy mulch, then we come back with rabbit manure, worm castings, compost. That's it. That's what this right here is, right? It's just rabbit manure that's been sitting out here in the garden. Now today I'm able to direct seed okra. 8 months ago when we started this no-till bed, I could not direct seed anything into the soil. It was so hard, I needed a drill to even get a hole into my ground to put a fully grown plant in. And yet we produced some of the most beautiful food last year. You can feel free to go back and look at our July 2022 farm tour video. It's stunning what grew in this garden. I just wanted to show you guys that. Don't get discouraged if you are no-tilling, all right? You can even no-till with potatoes. That's the only one that made it through the freeze here in Southeast Louisiana a couple weeks ago. And if you're curious, this is a deep watering worm tower. Even though I use a drip irrigation, I do use these around things like potatoes where they're gonna need a lot of heavy watering a couple of times a week. So this again is on hard packed Louisiana clay, all right? It's an entire 1/4 acre market garden. And the dogs are on duty. Not so job. So you guys have a blessed day. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on how to amend your clay soil without commercial fertilizers and without tilling. Guys have a blessed day.